Hey guys, it's your boy Mark here. Welcome back to my channel. I don't think there's anyone who has ever started a YouTube channel without a niche. In this video, I'm going to give you different video ideas that will help you to grow your channel. YouTube brings out this creativity that's in us that makes us want to improve and upgrade our video creativity and also our video editing. Well, if you are struggling with video ideas, there is a solution for you. All you have to do is what? Smash that like button and watch to the end of this video. I'm going to talk about these video ideas in heading and subheading. First is educational YouTube idea. This is just like teaching. You are sharing with people those ideas you have that you know that can help them to do a particular thing or to complete a particular task or to achieve a particular goal. Offer financial planning tips. If you are into finance, either stocks, trading, bonds, savings are your game, then help your fans to make some money and make those wealth out there. Also try your best to just narrow down your video as much as you can in order to target those particular fans who you know that will be interested in making some money with your video ideas. Another video idea is offer job interview advice. Interview for a new job can really be stressful or can cause anxiety too. Give your fans those handy tips you know that can help them to get prepared for a new job interview. Another video idea in the list, I know my wife will actually love this, is give wedding planning guidance. Give people a wedding hints you know that can help them to have a beautiful wedding. You can give some helping hints to planning a wedding to your fans, from what kind of cake to make, what size of cake to make, what kind of wedding dress to have on, what color of wedding dress to have on, what kind of size of shoe to put on, what kind of color of shoe to put on that will match the wedding dress, and what kind of hall to have, or what kind of way to decorate the hall too. With all these ideas, they don't really have to even pay an event manager to arrange anything for them. They can actually do this by themselves and save a lot of money with this. The next video idea I'm going to talk about is something I'm really good at. Show people the funny skill that you have. If you know how to make people to laugh, then show it that to your fans. If you know how to dance in a particular way, or if you know how to move your body in a particular way that you know that is funny or that can amuse your fans, then show it to people. Or if you know how to tell a very good story that you know people will love to listen and to make people to be happy, to change somebody's mood out there, then go for it. Do it on your YouTube platform and make somebody to smile and change somebody's mood that is feeling bad. Getting to know you is another video idea. Start your YouTube channel by introducing yourself, telling people what your channel is all about, and people like to put faces to names, if that really makes sense, if what I'm saying is making sense to you, whereby people like to know who is behind that curtain, who is behind that camera, who is talking to them. So people like to see people's face and know more about them so that they can know and understand what the channel is all about. Next is day in my life videos. Create videos to show people what your day is all about. It could be challenges, like challenges with your boyfriend, with your girlfriend, with your spouse, with your kids. Videos of good moments in your life, adventures you are doing right now, or a good holiday trip you are about to go, or a good holiday trip you are going at the moment, or you are already enjoying at the moment. Tour your space is another great video idea. Show off that beautiful car you are driving, house or room that you own, and this will help to build familiarity between you and your audience. Also build a very great relationship between you and your audience. The next video idea is fashion and beauty. You can provide styling advice for fashion and beauty and give people insight on how to style. People always need or want guidance on fashion and beauty. Share what you bought is another great video idea. If you love shopping bags, clothes or shoe, you can share that with your fans. People who also did this kind of video make money from brand deals. Next video idea is discuss fashion history. Discuss fashion history. If you're the type of person who would like to learn about the history of a particular fashion, just go right into it and create video for it, because there are other people out there who also like to know, who would like to share the same hobby with you, with your videos. So it's not only fashion history people learn out there. You can also do history about a particular car, history about a gadget or any kind of thing. It could be history about a camera, or it could even be history about a particular lantern or about a particular vintage stuff. There are lots of videos you can create about a history of a particular thing. The next video idea is share your beauty routine. There are lots of people out there who would like to know what routine is really good for their skin, or who is already having a bad skin who would like to make their skin feel better. Making Making morning and evening routine videos will be a great video idea. Another great video idea is create fast makeup tutorial. Share creative, quick and fast ways your viewers can do their makeup before they get to work, because I don't think there's anybody who is going to like to lay around or wait around making makeup for 5 hours when they are supposed to be going to work. Making video about fast makeup tutorial will be a great video idea to start with. Health and lifestyle video idea is another great video idea. People want to live good, people want a good lifestyle. Teach proper workout method. Keep your viewers on track with guidance on how they can do a proper workout. Another video idea is suggest good food for workouts. If you are into gym, you can create videos suggesting good food diet for workouts. Next video idea is showcase a home workout. No gym, no issues. Teach people how to do workouts anytime or anywhere they find themselves. Next is share tips about losing weight. This is mostly for people who are already into fitness. You can share fitness guidance on how to lose weight or on how to maintain a particular weight. Next video idea is something I like. Make motivational videos. Sometimes life doesn't go as we plan, or life is so hard to even keep going. Post some words of encouragement to keep your viewers stay motivated. The next video idea I'll be talking about is food video idea. Share your secret recipe. We humans, we like trying new things. We like trying new recipe in food. So showcase that new recipe you use to cook at home on your YouTube channel. The next video idea is cook with friends. It could be your family too. It could be your boyfriend, it could be your spouse, like it could be your husband, anyone, it could be your partner. So cook with friends can be a great way to start a new brand in the food industry, whereby your channel will be about you cooking in a group. You can also make arrangement to cook with other YouTubers. That can also help to promote your YouTube channel. The last video idea I'll be talking about is store your fridge. If you are really good at stacking up your fridge and you know how to arrange a fridge or arrange your fridge properly all the time, you can create a YouTube channel and make your video about fridge stacking and fridge arrangement. And because food videos always makes good videos, there's so many video ideas there you can start your channel with. It can be prank videos, it can be magic trick videos. Just go to Google and make proper research to get more ideas, and comment and to tell me the video idea you're going to start your channel with also. Please make sure you subscribe and make sure you like the video. I always appreciate it, and I do appreciate it. This is your boy Mark signing out. Peace.